Yup, super happy with this one, guys. What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Nanoleaf Shapes 15 panel triangle starter pack. Now guys, I've been wanting to get this product for ages and I'm so glad I can finally share this video with you today. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then defo consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Nanoleaf logo, as well as an image and name of the device. On the side, you have images again. Towards the bottom, you have a list of supported smart home products, such as Apple, Google and Alexa. And finally, towards the back, you have images again, followed by supported features. Once opened, the first thing you will see is paperwork containing a leaflet with different designs available and the instructions manual. You also have the LED panels, which are surprisingly a lot bigger than I expected, followed by the power brick, UK and US power adapters, adhesive sticky pads, the controller unit, and finally connectors which connect the LED panels together in place. In regards to the product breakdown, starting with the LED panels, each triangle has a length of 23 centimeters and a height of 20 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and solid. The panels have a width of 0.5 centimeters and weigh roughly around 150 grams. Towards the back, you have an adjustable notch, which can be removed if you ever need to replace a light panel in the future without having to take everything down, as well as the input where your LED connectors will go. Regarding the controller unit, you have the power button, followed by the brightness buttons, next, shuffle and music. Finally, towards the back, you have an input where the LED connectors will go. The setup process is pretty straightforward. In this example, we're going to start off by connecting one light panel and then gradually add additional panels as we move on. Start by connecting your country's power adapter to the power brick and then place the connector from the wire unit onto the light panel. Grab one connector and then use this to connect the controller unit onto the light panel. You should then see the controller unit light up, followed by the light panel itself. Next, navigate to the Google Play or Apple App Store and then download the Nanoleaf app. Once done, the app should then prompt you to sign in with your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up or log in using your Google account. After login is complete, you will then be presented with the installation page. From here, scroll down and select Nanoleaf Shapes by pressing the pair button. You will then be prompted with this page on screen, which provides you information on the Wi-Fi network, which requires a 2.4 GHz connection. Once confirmed, select the Start Pairing button. You will then be presented with 3 options for installation, either by scanning the QR code, NFC tap, or manual input. In this case, I will be selecting NFC tap. Next, tap your phone onto the controller unit, and the device should now be located. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, enter your password, name your device, and you should be good to go from here. The Nanoleaf app is very easy to navigate through. Once loaded, you are presented with the home page, which contains a list of all your connected Nanoleaf devices. Here you can control your devices by switching them on or off, or by configuring each one and editing the colors available. Once a device is selected, you can edit the colors by selecting the default options, or by downloading the presets from the Discover tab, which have been added by other users in the Nanoleaf community. You can also add them to your favorites and create playlists, which will cycle through the different color combinations. The Discover tab shows you a list of themes and presets, which you can download and load onto your Nanoleaf Shapes, followed by the Explore tab, which shows you a list of products and features. You also have a schedule, which allows you to create a list of automations. And finally, the More tab, which contains information on your account, device settings, and the Nanoleaf shop. When it comes to the LED panels, the device has a max brightness of 80 lumens, which can also react to touch that can either turn on, off, or create this cool effect. Speaking of reaction, the Nanoleaf panels can also react to music and sound, which displays this awesome animation, as well as 16 million other color combinations. The light panels are also compatible with other shaped devices, such as hexagons and mini triangles, which allow you to create different designs. Finally, when it comes to design and building your light panels, Nanoleaf allow you to have a maximum of 28 shapes per controller unit. However, by adding more power units, you can have up to 500 light panels, which is absolutely bonkers. Now for a super quick demo. In this part of the video, I'm just going to go through the different themes available, keep my mouth shut, and let the light show begin. Before we summarize, guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel, and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, this has to be one of my favorite purchases and is by far one of the best LED panels out there on the market. You have a multitude of animations and themes available, as well as a choice of 16 million different color combinations to choose from. The Nanoleaf app is easy to use and the setup process was very straightforward. You have the option to mix and match between triangles, hexagons and mini triangle panels and connect up to 28 panels per controller unit. The touch and sound reaction feature is also great and a very nice option to have. My only complaint, which I know is shared by everyone who buys this, is that the price tag of these devices are just way too much and literally takes such a hit on your wallet, which I'm sure you guys will find out in the next section. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Nanoleaf Shapes Triangle 15 pack from Amazon for around £270, which is super expensive and just way too much. Personally, I recommend grabbing these while they're on sale. However, if you are interested in getting the Nanoleaf Shapes, then you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the Nanoleaf Shapes? And is this something that you would add to your setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.